Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your own coriander powder from the whole coriander seeds available in any Indian market. I strongly believe that the more you make your masalas at home, more flavorful your food will be. Do try it and let me know if it makes difference in your food or not. It surely does in my food, and I enjoy making this at least weekly once or twice 2 times a month I make it, and I absolutely use in all my dishes, and it helps a ton to make them so flavorful and so fresh. Now let's go and see how to quickly and easily make coriander powder at home. So let's see how to make coriander powder. This is how the whole coriander looks. You can put it in the ground for fresh coriander in your own house. It takes longer time to grow the coriander than methi, but it definitely grows. It needs some time. So let's see how to fry this and make coriander powder. Our pan is really hot. It should be little less than medium, and we are going to put around 1 cup. I don't like to make more of it. I like to make it fresh whenever I need it, and nicely pan fry it until you get nice aroma from the coriander seeds. It won't take much time, so keep stirring it. I can already smell the coriander. If the pan is hot, it will not take even 2 or 3 minutes and it will be done. It smells so fresh in here. Little bit color and we are good to go. It hardly takes like 5 minutes to make it and grind it. Please do try it at home to see the difference in your curries, and whatever you use it in, it will taste so fresh because of the small things like this. There are so many options nowadays in the market, but whenever you can, do it yourself so that you can get fresh flavor. Almost ready. And now we'll grind it. Let it cool down a little bit and then we'll grind it. Now that it cooled down a little bit, let's add it to the mixer and we are going to grind it into the powder. You need like fine powder. As much as you can make it fine, it will be good, so that you don't want any big chunks of coriander in your rice or curries. So we'll grind it as much as we can. Let's see how it grinded. As soon as you open it, it smells so good in here, you won't believe it. If you fry the coriander seeds nicely, your coriander powder will be little bit darker and it will taste so good. So frying is a key thing in here, and this is the consistency we are looking for the powder. I hope you will try to make coriander powder at home and leave me your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.